had to put in a parking lot.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
That's how low the water's gone. Wow. And you can see how far that goes down.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, crazy. Crazy.
Wow.
That's gotta suck to launch your boat though, because
Oh,
it's
yeah. And
that
it's
mud.
super muddy down there.
Yeah, that'd be slick. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's beautiful, though, even though the water's super low.
Still green.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
Just backing down.
No, stop.
Not all the way.
No, stop.
When was the last time you saw this lake?
I don't want to. You're making me really nervous.
Oh, we're fine.
Hi.
No, stop filming me.
I can't help it.
Oh my God, please stop.
Alright, there's about the mud. See, look it around you. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Stop filming me.
Can't help it, sorry.
The car won't go forward.
Oh my God, I love it.
Peel out.
It won't. It's screwed, baby. There's the cliff.
I know.